Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to edit Instagram story highlights. And to do this, you just need to go open your Instagram account, and after that go to your profile and go and long press on the highlight that you want to edit. And after that, you click on the first option, edit highlight. And as you can see now, you can add more stories to this highlight, like I did now, for example. I will have like 2 stories. And you can also edit the title. You can call it, for example, new one. Or you can also edit the cover by another picture. You can add it if you want, or you can take like other picture from your gallery. And after that, you click done, cancel, let's click done. And of course, when you complete all the modifications that you want to do, you just click on done. And as you can see now, the highlight is edited. We edited the title. We added a new story, and also we have our highlight, and everything is working very well. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.